njengoba ngilana ngizombesa kahle kahle ngizoletha ibizo to my wife, my beautiful wife Zimbili. It means a lot to me, you know. It's a culmination of a lot of hard work, a lot of sacrifice, and just a lot of blood, sweat and tears. So ngiyangijabulisa ukubona abantu abaningi lana abazo-celebrate uthando lwethu.
Ngijabule kakhulu ukuthi uGatsheni ugcinile iqiniso waqhubeka la bese eqale khona siyabonga nje kakhulu. Kuyajabulisa nje impela ukubona ukuthi abantu nabo bajabulela lo suku just like us and bear the bad weather yanamhlanje to come and celebrate with us, and we're very grateful for that. Kuyangijabulisa kakhulu because akona bonke amadoda agcinayo iqiniso, so nje ngiyathokoza ukuthi uGatsheni ulenzile iqiniso, wenzeka usuku lomembeso namhlanje lwafezeka lwaba impumelelo ngisho lingakapheli.
Ngami, this is just step one. I know there's a lot of hard work ahead, but I love you so much. Thank you for ungenza umuntu. Thank you for loving me through my flaws and my imperfections, and I promise that this is just the beginning of good things.
Thank you for today. On behalf of myself, nomndeni wami wonkana siyabonga ngama gift izipho zanokusho esimbeswe ngazo namhlanje, siyabonga nje kakhulu, and yeah, this is just step one of many, and yeah, the beginning of our journey, and I cannot wait to experience the rest of it with you.